What's up, guys? Sorry, I have a little bit of a cold, but today I'm going to show you guys a product from Meguiars called the Pro Hybrid Ceramic Bead Booster. It's called M799. So I used this stuff about a month ago to give it original testing and whatnot, but I haven't washed my car in a month, and you can see how beady the water is on it. So the product, over a month old, is still working. I just wanted to do a kind of a different, fast review of this stuff. I just put it in a little bottle. It comes in the, I think that's a gallon jug. Yeah, I believe it's a gallon jug. But it's just like CarPro Reload, in my opinion. They look the same. I even put it in my empty CarPro Reload bottle. I'll show you guys. But yeah, so I used it about a month ago. So this is, it's in there. You can see it's like the same consistency and color as CarPro Reload. But I used it about a month ago, and you can see that the beading on the car is still going on. My car was ceramic coated well over a year ago, probably 2 years ago. So the ceramic coating might be gone at this point. I do a lot of maintenance using a lot of ceramic shampoos and whatnot. But yeah, I used this about a month ago, and so far, great results. I am gonna wash my car, and then I'll show you how I use the bead booster. I use all these products as a drying aid. So once I'm done washing my car, I spray about one spray per per panel on the car. So like on the door, and then I just use it as a drying aid and dry it off with a towel. I will also come back tomorrow morning and show you guys the results of a brand new layer of the Meguiars bead booster. But let me go ahead and wash my car down. I just want to show you the durability of the product after it's been on my car for well over a month, and it's still working out great. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my car down, and then I'll show you guys how I use this product. All right, to use the bead booster, I put it in this CarPro Reload bottle. And all I really do is I will do a spray on each panel of the car. A little goes a super long way. Get the roof up here. It smells like the other Meguiars ceramic products. It's like I would relate it to like a bubble gum. It's not the best smelling product, but it gets the job done. So after I spray it, I have two microfiber towels. One for kind of the initial rub down, and then the second is like a buffer. So just take it on there, and I'll wipe it down. Some people, I wouldn't do this in the sun, that's for sure, because I kind of like the water to just sit. If it's in the sun, then I would just do 1/4 panel at a time. All right, so then I just go over it with another microfiber towel and just buff it off. And you can feel that it's super smooth. But yeah, so I will do that to the whole entire car, each panel that I spray down. And I will come back tomorrow and show you guys the finished result of how it is after 24 hours of hardening. You don't want to get this product wet, so if it's going to rain, I wouldn't use Bead Maker. I would wait for a dry, sunny day, or just put your car in the garage. All right, guys, so it has been 24 hours. It's literally the next day. So I applied the Pro Hybrid Ceramic Bead Booster. So it's a Ceramic Si02, spray sealant, restores gloss, slickness, beading to coatings, versatile, dilutable formula, works as a spray sealant, booster, detailer, clay lubricant, durable beading, whatever. You can read it right here. You can use it a whole bunch of different ways. I always use these products as a drying aid. So you can see the car. It is super glossy. The paint is really, really slick. I would say it's identical to CarPro Reload, a lot cheaper, by the way. But yeah, you can see the car. Super slick. I'm gonna go ahead and test the water beading. I got my water bottle. And we will see if the properties have been enhanced. Here we go. Oh yes. Oh yes. Falls right off. Yeah, I would say the coating has been restored. Great product, not expensive at all. It's the bead booster from Meguiars. Yeah, I strongly suggest you guys check this stuff out.
I've never felt so alive in my life, 'cause you make me come to life every time. I'm free.